this is Sam Create the Heart, and I have a quick share for you guys. I'm going to share with you guys some Cat's Pajamas stamps, which I'll do in a second, as well as a Joann's haul. I did an online haul. I had free shipping, so I went for it. They had the new Garden Party by Maggie Holmes. I haven't really been buying as much Maggie Holmes stuff. I don't always like all the prints that she does, and some of the last, I would say, Marigold and Heritage, there were a lot of papers that were not doing it for me, so I didn't love it, even though I think I have both those collections, but I have the, I forget what you call it, the kind of the fun pad. Do I have the fun pad here? I think I do. Project pad. I call it the fun pad, but that's not what it is. Anyway, I do love Garden Party, so I think I did, I don't know if I did or not. Yeah, I did. I did do a haul where I had bought from Scrapbookcom, I believe, the double-sided 12 by 12s. And I really do love the Garden Party. It's florals. I think she really knocked it out of the park with this particular one because I think most of the papers in here are fabulous. So because of that, I did buy the washi because I think the washi is amazing for this. So here's the washi. So loving it. So I got that. I ended up getting the 6x8 paper. So some gold foiling on it. This particular collection is fab. I do love it. So I got the 6x8. And then I also got, saw from Joann's. It was on sale plus free shipping. I did break down and get the chipboard. And I did get the Garden Party project pad, which is what I was trying to say. It's not the fun pad. I don't know what I was thinking. But so instead of getting the stickers, this comes with stickers. So what's nice is, I think it's all single-sided, which I don't love. But since I have a double-sided paper, it's fine. It comes with coordinating cardstock colors. And then you've got some papers. Are those teapots in the other collection? I don't know. I'll have to see. These all feel like a little different. That one's the same. Let me see here. Is there teapots? It's a little bit different. Like, I don't see the teapots. I don't see this one. So the papers I got in here are a little bit different from the 6x8, so that's kind of cool. I'm glad about that. So here's that. That one's really pretty. And then some cut apart tags. And then stickers. So you get a sticker sheet in this project pad. So didn't have to buy the stickers, which are kind of pricey because the pad was really reasonable. And then I got the Park Lane Maps, Texts, and Ledgers. These are really, really great for junk journals. I'm going to be starting a new series, which I'm going to be talking about soon. And I found, and I'll probably talk about this when I do the video, like a bazillion cards and envelopes from Michael's. And I won't even get through them all. I might have to stash them or see if anybody wants them. But I'm going to be doing some projects to see like how much of that I can actually use up. Probably not that much, but I'm going to try. And then I also got this big palette, which I thought would be fun to do for painting and all kinds of mixing and whatever. So there's that. And then what did I do with the... Okay, so Cat's Pajamas. I love Cat's Pajamas, and I don't share that much projects. I have shared in the past. These are really great to color. They're really, really fun, but they're going all digital. So these are all 30% off, and they're starting to get rid of all of their stamps. So all of their actual physical product, and they're going to digital. And I don't hate digital, but it's inconvenient for me to do digital because my printer and my computer are in my bedroom. My craft room's in a separate place, and it's just not convenient for me. So, you know, I prefer the physical product at this point. Not to say I'm against digital. Right now, it's just not for me. So I've got this one, which is called, who knows what it's called. Super cute, but I got this one. And then this one was a freebie. So if you spent over a certain amount, you got to pick your free gift. And this is the one that I picked. This cutie pie. I don't have the names of the stamps on here, but I love this one. It's really cute. This one right here. You could tell I really like that little bunny. He's my favorite. I do like the little bunny. He's really fun to color. That one. This one. And then the dies were also on sale. This was a little birdhouse die, which I thought was cute. It was pretty reasonable. And these are really good for superhero type stuff. So they showed it. And then they gave me something in here, which is like little rubber stamps. That's like a girl. It's like an elf girl, a little girl, a winter girl. I don't know. And then this one, it says ho ho ho. That's cute. So that's my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.